Hi everyone, we are to identify the various trigonometry ratio of special angles. Let's specify 45 degrees. So to get these identities, we have to use a square, the plane shape square. Remember one of the property of a square is that each side is equal. So let's assume that each of the side is 1 centimeter. And as well, we have perpendicular angles, 90 degrees at each various side. So for us to get 45 degrees, we have to bisect this 90 degree to form 45. So this brings us to triangle, whereby this is 45. This part still remain 1. This part still remain 1. So this diagonal line yet to be unknown. We have to get this x using Pythagoras theorem, which says that hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Our hypotenuse is x square, our opposite is 1, and that of our adjacent is 1. So x square is equals to 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. For us to get x, we square root both sides. The square root cancel square having x equal to root 2. So these are x becomes root 2, which is the hypotenuse. Now to get the various trigonometry ratio of the special angle 45, we have sine theta, which is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is 1 and the hypotenuse is root 2. It becomes 1 over root 2. We have cos theta, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 1 and the hypotenuse is root 2. So this is the ratio. Then for tan theta, we have its opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 1 and the adjacent is 1. So that is 1. Now get cosec theta.